Yeah, we're gonna keep the ball rolling and scrolling. Yeah, Solid Rock Entertainment. We're there same way, you know. This one, we're not gonna do any long talking. We're gonna keep on walking because the music vibes are for going in. Yeah. The Heathen by the great Gong himself. Let's go!
Victory for the heathen. Jaja put the heathen back on the wall. Had the heathen back. Jaja put the heathen back on the wall.
Take your stance again. Is evil fight another way? Let's to fight another day.
He came back there on the wall. He came back there on the wall. He came back there on the wall. He came back there on the wall.
As a man, so shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap. So the hotter the battle, eh?
What a vibes. What a vibes. The Eden back, yeah, pon the wall. Jaja put the Eden back pon the wall. What a tune. Put the Eden right back where they belong. Put them against the wall, me could deal with them. Call them a Eden. Right? Yeah. Baba tell us say wicked people not stand no place about here. See? Gonna keep the ball rolling and scrolling to the Bob tribute. Yeah. So keep the vibes right. Keep the vibes right. Yeah man. February 6th. Get in the mix for the super fix. Easy. Eden back there, pon the wall. Eden back there.